Hi there, Luke here with another video. For those of you unfamiliar with our channel, my husband Tyler and I make weekly travel videos where we document our experiences since moving from North America to the UK. If you've been following our Eurotrip 2021 travel series so far, you'll know that we had been traveling around Spain at this point, and at this point of the trip, we had picked up a rental car in Madrid to do a road trip around northern and central Spain. In the last video, we visited the city of Avila, as well as the historical site called San Lorenzo del Escorial, whereas in this video, we are going to take you to the Sierra de Gredos Regional Park, as well as the beautiful Spanish city of Salamanca. If you enjoy this and our other videos, be sure to hit the like, comment, subscribe, and give thanks buttons, because we really do appreciate all of your support. From where we last left off, we left the town of Avila and we took our rental car to the Sierra de Gredos Regional Park. The drive here was quite beautiful, passing through lots of Spanish countryside, as well as plenty of mountain views to take in and enjoy. For our time in the Sierra de Gredos Regional Park, we actually camped because we had camping equipment from our time in Scotland, if you watched some of our videos on that. So we had our camping equipment with us and we put it to good use here. The main activity for us to do here was the Circo de Gredos hike. This hike is a glacial route that is located in the central part of the Sierra de Gredos mountain range, which is located in central Spain. This particular hike is located just 2 hours away from Madrid and only 1 hour from the city of Avila, where we were just prior to this. At the eastern edge of this park is the summit of Pico Almanzor, which reaches a maximum height of 2,500 meters. The hike takes you steadily up the mountain trail and then across a grassy, boggy moor to a viewing platform where we encountered some new friends, the Spanish ibex. It was actually pretty cool to get this close to the ibex. They seemed very comfortable with people. I imagine it's because they encounter lots of people on this hike, but they were totally chill. They were not freaked out by us at all. So this, paired with the beautiful scenery around us, was a really special, cool experience. From here, the trail descends down to the bottom of the circuit, where you can find the Laguna Grande de Gredos, or the Great Lake. Beside the lake is a mountain refuge, where you can stay the night if planning on hiking further into the mountain range. We rested here and enjoyed some beers before we made our way back up the way we came. Overall, the hike is pretty family friendly with good signage and beautiful surroundings. The hike takes approximately 5 to 6 hours for the average person, but is definitely worth it. After our time in the Sierra de Gredos Regional Park, we headed to our next attraction, which was the city of Salamanca. Salamanca is located in northwestern Spain and is the capital of Salamanca province, which is part of the Castilla y León region. The city was founded in the 1100s and was a key intellectual center in the 15th to 16th centuries. Salamanca is known for a couple things, one of which is its ornate sandstone architecture, which was really nice to kind of walk around and enjoy and appreciate, because you can see this all over the city. Another thing Salamanca is known for is education, and that is because this is where the Universidad de Salamanca, or Salamanca University, was founded. Salamanca's old city is well worth the visit and is recognized as a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Another place worth visiting in Salamanca is the Casa de las Conchas, which is a 16th century Gothic palace covered in symbolic seashell motifs. After this, we headed across the street to visit what ended up being one of our favorite views of the entire city, and that was by visiting La Clerecía. La Clerecía is a historic Baroque Catholic church featuring twin bell towers. We climbed up to the top of the bell tower, which offers beautiful panoramic views overlooking the city of Salamanca. We were very fortunate too that while we were up there, we happened to notice that there was a large musical performance that was being played in the town, and there was great lively traditional music and dancing that was happening on the streets. And this, paired with the beautiful architecture around us, it was just such a surreal and very, very Spanish experience that I'm so glad we had the opportunity to have. Once we were finished walking around and enjoying the views of La Clerecía, we proceeded to the Cathedral Vieja de Santa María de la Sede de Salamanca, which is also referred to more simply as the Old Cathedral of Salamanca. The Old Cathedral is one of two cathedrals in Salamanca, the other being the New Cathedral of Salamanca. The two cathedrals are actually joined together. The Old Cathedral was built in the 12th to 13th centuries, with the new one being added on during the 16th century. So you can see that their definition of new is relative. We enjoyed walking around the two cathedrals, taking in the beautiful architecture and historic paintings and frescoes. The following day, we continued our exploration of Salamanca. We visited the Plaza Mayor, as well as some of the other sites from the previous day. We eventually made our way down to the river to visit the historic Roman Bridge of Salamanca. The bridge is also known as the Puente Mayor del Tormes, as it crosses the Tormes River on the banks of the city. Alright everyone, that is it for this video. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, and give thanks. Be sure not to miss our next video because believe it or not, we have a lot more in store for our time in Spain as we continue our road trip through northern and central Spain. In our next video, we will take you to one of our favorite regions of all of Spain, and that is the region of Galicia. You don't want to miss it. Absolutely beautiful and totally different from everything you've seen so far in our series. Can't wait to see you at the next one. Bye!